Okay guys, so we've got the 200 mils here, the 100 mils here, both tap water and temperature water. This is the salt we're using today. And we got the teaspoons just here. These are the exact same. And every time we add salt, we're gonna observe and write down what we see in this table. Yeah, so you've got your teaspoons inside here, your 100 mils, and your 200 mils just writing down and what we're observing. Okay, let's begin. This is the first one for both. So half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon here. Just gonna stir these around. Yeah, and we'll record what we observe. So as you can see, the salt has dissolved in both. Down the bottom, you can see there's no salt. Same with this 200 ml one, all clear. It'll just become a bit murkier. So yeah, we'll record that off the first half of the teaspoon. Okay, time for the second half. Give it a stir so it can dissolve. Both slowly dissolving. So you can see the different colours in these. We'll double check if the salt has dissolved. So now you can see that there's no salt in that one. And no salt in this one here as well. Okay, so this is the another half. Just write down what we are predicting. What we observe, sorry. Another half. Another half there, guys. Okay. So it's taking a bit longer to dissolve for this one. Okay, put a bit more energy into it while mixing. There's that one, and for this one. Slowly down as well. There's that, guys. So we'll have a double check the bottom. So as you see, the salt, actually there is some salt down the bottom here. It's not dissolving as quickly. Oh, this one here, there's no salt at all. So the salt's all dissolved in this one compared to this one. And I believe I'll do one more. Write down what we observed in that one. But yeah, I think we're going to keep getting the same results by keep adding these in. And there's another half. Another half here. Just stirring. Okay, so you can see the color difference in these ones. And we'll check down the bottom, see if the salt's dissolved. So there's, I don't know if you can see, there's a fair bit of salt down the bottom there. It's definitely stopped dissolving in that one. While on the 200 mils, it's just murky. There's no salt down the bottom there. It's just, yeah, it's all dissolved. So yeah, these are the results. And yeah, we'll just finish it off. So after 2 full teaspoons, this is what we have. Hope you guys enjoyed the experiment.